So welcome to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Dr. Morrocco, and I've been in hair care for over 50 years. And I have created and formulated the 5 elements hair care system. So my methodology consists of 5. So there's 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5 senses, 5 types of hair on the body. And then, of course, the spokes in the wheel. So we're going to get to that. I'm creating a series on mastery hair loss. So there's been an epidemic going on for the last 5 years. So for the first time in history, women are now globally losing their hair thinning. So 40% of the planet Earth, of all women on planet Earth, are experiencing either hair loss or hair thinning. This has never happened in history before. And that's what I want to start a series on. We will create 1 spoke in the wheel per week. This will be the introduction. So I want to welcome you in, and we're going to do a Q&A. We're going to create a forum, a place for you to come and ask questions, to get answers directly from me. And let's stop the epidemic. Let's get healthy. Let's get happy, let's get wealthy for our well-being. So there's health, wealth, happiness, time, and of course the element of the mystery. So taking all of this into consideration. So my hair care system is 5 also. I'm 75 years of age. I basically have no pain, none. I take no medication, 0, and I don't even take supplements. So my lifestyle is very healthy. I teach Qigong, I teach yoga, and I also run MorroccoMethod.com. So I want to introduce you to health is our wealth. So our lunar hair chart is also 5 spokes in the wheel. So on our website, it's free. You can go on to MorroccoMethod.com. Go to Lunar Hair Chart with a chart for 2018. And once a month, we have 5 dates to cut the hair properly. So one of those dates could be strengthening, lengthening, root work, thickening, or beautifying. So you can choose one of those 5. If you're having hair thinning, we'll go into a huge explanation when I get to the Lunar Hair Chart. Diet is very simple. We eat live food, we produce live cells. We eat dead food, we produce dead cells. So food, I believe in whatever you crave, you should be eating. Not that we want this food, not that we just want to taste this food. It's like if I'm craving anything, I will have it. So basically, I live a very healthy diet. What that means is that I only eat local food produced by my local farmers and nothing outside the county. And I buy nothing from the stores. No, nothing. So all of my entire diet consists of all the local farmers. Whatever's grown seasonally, that's what I eat. I have a special drink in the morning, which I'll go through in detail. Then I basically don't eat until I'm hungry. So if I don't feel hungry, I just don't eat. My energy levels I want to maintain from an 8 to a 9. So they go below 7.5, I get very concerned. My energy levels are very high. So there we have it. 5 spokes in the wheel. We'll be doing 1 spoke per week. And I invite you in. We're going to put us on all of our platforms. We'll do a lot of social media for you. You'll be following us. We'll be following you, answering your questions. I welcome you in, wish you the greatest health, well-being. Our health is our wealth. Namaskara. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate all your support. Morrocco Method and team.